just click in the first link in the video description, create your Binance account. If you use the link that I've just provided for you, you are going to get 100 USDT when you deposit 50 USDT. You need to deposit this 50 USDT so that you can get the bonus and we can start trading margin and features. I'm just going to be showing you specifically how I make $100 to $200 per day trading features on Binance and the strategy that I use. So just follow my instructions and you'll be able to get the same results or even get more than me. So the first step is to create a Binance account. If you already have a Binance account that is verified, you can ignore this part, but I will advise you rewatch it so that you can understand. So just click on the sign up with email. Please, when you are creating a Binance account, always sign up with your email. Don't sign up with your phone number. So I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up with your email. Then when we are done, I will also show you how you can buy USDT and fund your Binance account. So what we are going to do is we are just going to enter our email address. I'll advise you use your Gmail, the email that you always use that one. So I'll just do this. Then the next thing is you enter a strong password. So you make sure you enter a strong password so that no one will be able to hack your account. I always advise you add numbers and symbols and check to make sure you have this referral link. The ID is 38070-363. Then you just click on I have read terms and conditions and you have agreed. Then you click on create personal account. Once you click on create personal account, they are going to send you a 6-digit PIN to your Gmail account. You can see it here. So we will receive an email here where we can use it to verify our Binance account. So you can see it. So just copy this link. So copy this link. I already have an account with this particular Binance. So what I'll just do is I'll just ignore it, but they will send you a PIN for you to verify. So you can just verify it. Once you finish verifying, the next thing is you'll be logged into your Binance dashboard like this. Okay, so once you are logged into your Binance dashboard, just click on your profile here. You can see at the top right hand side verified. You have seen my account verified here. So if you have just created your account for the first time, it will not be verified. So what you need to do is you just click on it. So when you click on it, you will see like they will ask you to verify. You can only verify your Binance account using your mobile phone, your smartphone. You can't verify your Binance account on your PC. And I always advise you, when you finish verifying your facial recognition, make sure you add your KYC, either your water bill, your light bill, or your address, bank statement. Use it to verify it. Okay, so once you are done, now we are going to fund our Binance account. So to fund our Binance account so that we can start trading features on Binance and start making money, we are just going to click on trade. If you are using Android phone or iPhone, it's still the same process. Just click on trade. When you click on trade, you see P2P here. So you make sure you click on the P2P here. Okay. So when you click on the P2P, the next thing that you want to do is you are going to buy USDT. Please follow my instructions. If you want to start making money, you have to follow my instructions. Okay. So if it is your first time using Binance P2P, I'll advise you click on Express. If this is your first time using Binance P2P, I'll just advise you use Express. What Express means is that Binance is going to sort out the good people who are verified for you to buy from. So let's say you want to fund your Binance account with 20 USDT and you have never used Binance P2P before. When you go to your trade section and you come to P2P here, then you click on Express. When you click on Express, then you enter the amount. Right now, 1 USDT is equivalent to what? So 1 USDT is equivalent to 14 cedis. If you want to buy USDT, 1 USDT is equivalent to 14 cedis. And we can only buy a minimum of $20 when you are using Binance Express. Okay, so if you want to buy 20 USDT, we'll buy it at 257 Ghana cedis. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the P2P because sometimes Some people always want to buy less than $20. Okay, and we can use the P2P. So let me explain the P2P. Then after that, I'll use the express to buy. So let's click on P2P here. Okay, so when you click on P2P, you see we have buy and we have sell. We have USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, and Solana. Guys, do you understand what I'm saying? These are the cryptocurrencies you can buy on Binance P2P. For me, I always buy USDT and convert it. So it doesn't matter if you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Litecoin, always buy USDT and use the Binance converter to convert it. Okay. So the next thing is, you see we have amount, we have fiat, and we have payment, and we also have available regions. For the amount, this is the amount that we want to buy, the quantity we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 30 USDT. We can just enter the amount here in Ghana cedis. For the fiat currency, always make sure it's in your local currency. So if you are in Ghana and you want to buy USDT on Binance, make sure you have changed it to GHS. If you are in Nigeria, you use NGN. If you are in South Africa, you use Zara. They use Rand as Zara, so you use Zara. You can also click on all payment methods. So in Ghana, this is the payment methods that we have. For me, I always use my MTN to buy using Binance P2P. So you can just select MTN here. If you select MTN mobile money, Binance is going to sort out those who are only using mobile money to accept payment. Then we have regions. Make sure you select your country. So the country is Ghana. So you can see this is my country, Ghana. So these are the only people who are available in Ghana to sell to you. You can see here, we have these people who can sell to you here. You see, these are the P2P members right now who are going to sell to you. You see, look at it here. Okay, so what we can do is we are going to buy USDT into our Binance account so that we can use it to trade Binance P2P. Okay, so let me just scroll down and explain something to you. If you are buying cryptocurrency on Binance P2P, this is what you want to note. The advertisers are here. We have the rates, we have the limit, we have payment, and here is what you want to buy. Okay, you can see this is the person's name, Adam Coin. He have completed over 1,265 orders and 95.7% completion rate. If you are going to buy crypto from someone using Binance P2P, don't buy from someone who has less than 90%. Please don't do this. Don't buy from someone who have less than 90% rating. You can see this person is 95, 99, 99. That means that they know what they are doing. Don't go and buy from people with 80% rating, or else they will run away with your money. I'm just advising you. So this is the price here. Right now, if you want to buy 1 USDT, it's equivalent to 12 cedis, 89 pesos. And this person is going to sell to you at 12 cedis, 90 pesos. Then we go to the limit here. The limit is the amount the person is willing to sell to you. So for this guy, this Adam Coin, we can buy from 300 Ghana cedis to 1,000 Ghana cedis. That means we cannot buy less than 300 Ghana cedis, and we cannot buy more than 1,000 Ghana cedis. For the payment is MTN. We can only pay him through MTN mobile money. Okay, then let's scroll down. We can see here, okay, let's just scroll down and I'll explain here too. You can see this person is having yellow tick. That means that Binance have really recognized this guy as a verified merchant. There is no way you can buy USDT or any cryptocurrency from this guy and you have problems. Binance will help you solve it. You can see he have completed over 1,815 orders with 98.6% completion rate. His rate is 15.3 Ghana cedis for 1 USDT. You can see his limit 80 cedis to 842 Ghana cedis, mobile money and Vodafone cash. So that means if you are going to buy USDT from this guy, you can buy with either MTN or Vodafone Cash. I hope you guys now understand how to buy crypto using Binance P2P. So I'm just going to buy from this guy. I'm just going to buy from this guy here. So let's buy from this guy by clicking the buy option here. Okay, I'm just going to buy 300 USDT from this guy. So let me buy 300 USDT. Okay, so let's just click on buy. We are going to pay with our mobile money. Okay, so we are going to pay with mobile money. We are going to pay with mobile money. So right now we are buying 300 USDT. Let's buy 300 Ghana cedis of USDT. If we buy 300 Ghana cedis USDT, we are going to get 23.2 USDT. So 23.2 USDT is equivalent to 300 Ghana cedis. You can see the rate is 12.89. Okay, with mobile money payment. So you can just click on buy here. Always read the terms and conditions. You can see what the guy is saying, that do not open my ad if you are not using MTN and you are not ready to allow cash out. Okay, it's very important you always set the trade if you are ready. If you are not ready to trade, don't click on buy. Okay, so for us to buy USDT from this guy, we just click on buy here. And when we click on buy, we are going to send our number to him and allow cash out so that we'll be able to buy it from him. So let me just click on buy here. Okay, so once I click on buy, the next thing that I want to do is I'm going to send my number to him and allow cash out on my mobile phone. Okay, so always check to make sure that you are withdrawing from the right person. You can see this is the name here. So we are going to allow cash out to this guy. So let's send our Momo number to him and allow cash out. So here you can just type your Momo number. So let me just type my Momo number. So this is my Momo number here. So I will just click on send. So once I click on send, I will now click and allow cash out on my phone. Okay, very simple. If you want to fund your Binance account, it's very simple. Okay, so I've just allowed cash out. Now I'll tell him that cash out allowed. So okay, then I click on send. So I've just noticed him that I've allowed cash out. So now he's going to withdraw 300 Ghana cedis from my account and give me 23.27 USDT. Okay, this is how you fund your Binance account. So once he withdraw the money from your account, make sure you click on transfer, notify seller. For you to receive the money, always make sure you have clicked on transfer, notify seller. So let's just wait for him to withdraw the 300 Ghana cedis from our account, and we'll now press on transfer, notify seller. Don't worry, if we are done funding our Binance account, we will now move to the real part of making money on Binance. I'll teach you how I trade Binance features. Okay, if you want to join the private mentorship group, you pay $20, but the course is so. I'm just going to allow withdraw the money to him. Okay, so I've just sent 300 Ghana cedis. So once I do this, I'll now click on transfer, notify seller. Then I just said I have made payment, my real name verified. Okay, so let's just confirm, transfer, notify seller. So we have just paid the guy. So let's wait for him to release the crypto for us. Okay, so don't worry, it will just take some few minutes, few seconds, and he will send us the crypto. Okay, so once we have we just made the sell here. Okay, so what I always do is I always take screenshot of the person so that if there is any complication, I'll be able to defend myself. So when you are sending the money, take screenshot. Okay, so let's read the instructions here. You can see we have just sent the crypto to him. Now let's refresh our page. Okay, so let's refresh it. So even if you are done with it, they will send you an email through your this thing. So you can even type and tell him that paid. You can just tell him paid. So right now, just tell him that paid. So once you are done, Binance will even send you a message telling you that your order have been completed. So once you have made payment and you have clicked on transfer, notify seller, this guy is going to see it and Binance will tell him to release the crypto for you. So once he finishes releasing the crypto, you receive SMS from Binance and also you receive a Gmail message from Binance telling you that you have completed the trade. So now that we have just funded our Binance account, what we can do next is let's go to our spot wallet and transfer crypto there so that we can transfer it to our derivative account and start earning passive income on Binance. So what I'll just do is let me go to my wallet here. So let's just click on wallet. Then we'll click on overview. Okay. So once we click on overview, the next thing that we want to do is we want to click on transfer. So if you are on your overview, just click on transfer. Now we are going to transfer some cryptocurrency to our this thing spot wallet so that we can use it to trade features on Binance. You need money to trade features, and I've just showed you how to buy crypto using Binance. If we go back, you guys can see like we have completed the trade. We have just completed the trade with this guy. Okay, you can see order completed. So I've just received an SMS from Binance telling me that my order have been completed successfully. You can see here order completed. Okay, so we have just completed the order. Okay, so now what we can do is let's go to our derivative account, but before that let's transfer crypto to our Binance wallet. So if I go to wallet here, then I click on wallet, I click on overview. So let's click on overview. You see like my account have increased from 160 to 100 and what. So you can see now I have 183 USDT in my Binance account. So now let's transfer this from our funding account to our spot wallet so that we can transfer it to our derivatives and start making $100 per day. Okay, what I'll advise is if you are going to use my strategy, start with $50. Start with $50. So now I'm on my Binance funding account. So I'll just click on transfer here. So once I click on transfer, I'll make sure I switch these arrows. So I'll switch the arrows from funding to fiat. So that means we are moving the money from our funding to our fiat. Then the next thing that we want to do is let's enter our amount, $20. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay. So once I click on confirm, I'm going to now go to my derivatives. I trade only USDT M futures. Please guys, always trade USDT M futures. Don't trade coin futures. Okay. Now you click on here, you click on USDT at M futures. So click on it. Okay. So once we click on it, now we are going to transfer the crypto that is in our spot wallet to our funding, from our spot wallet to our derivatives account. It's very important you guys understand here. But before that, let me explain these things for you. We have the cryptocurrencies here. Don't trade contract, trade perpetual. Only trade perpetual. Don't go and trade these ones that they call. So you can see we have BTC USDT perpetual. We have all the cryptocurrencies here. You can see we have BUSDT, we have SEX, we have DAO, and we have DeFi. text, and we have all these things. So only trade these ones. For me, I only trade BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, and Litecoin USDT. These are the ones that have been trading since 2019. Because of the trading volume, they are not able to manipulate the market. Okay, so the first thing is make sure you are on your Binance M features. When you are now on your Binance M features, leave it at BTC USDT. The next thing is change the time frame from 15 minutes to 1 hour. You see, we have time, we have 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and 1 week. Change it to 1 hour. Then you go to technical indicators. When you click on technical indicators, you click on MA here, okay? Then you click on the first one, the yellow one, 2 and 3. The first MA is period 99. Please make sure you are entering the right figures. Period 99, period 30, and period 10. We are not using exponential moving averages. We are using simple moving averages, 99, 30, and 10. Then you click on save. You can see we have these moving averages here, 99, 30, and 10. Okay. The next thing that we want to do is we are going to explain these things for you. Limit order is the order that you usually receive when you are trying to escape, like when you don't want to enter a trade at a particular time. I'll leave a PDF so that you can go and read it to learn more. Market order is instant execution, and stop limit and stop loss, they are used to protect your capital. They have take profit and reduce only. Okay, I'm even going to enter a trade and close a trade too, so that it will help you guys understand what we are doing here. So right now, let's fund our features wallet. So to fund it, you just go to your order box. This is the order box, and this is the order book. The order book contains open trades. These are sellers and these are buyers. So those in the green column are the buyers, and those in the red column are the sellers. You can even use this to predict the market. If the trading volume for the buyers are more than the sellers, then definitely you know that the next big move will be bullish. So you enter a buy position. So what we are going to do is, if you buy BTC, that means you are buying BTC and you are selling USDT. If you click on sell, that means you are selling USDT and you are buying BTC. That is what it means. If you click on buy or long on features of any cryptocurrency that contains here, the first one means you are buying it, the second one means you are selling it. Okay, so this is where your open positions will be. Don't worry, I'll explain everything. The symbol is here, the cryptocurrency here, and the size and the entry point, the marked price, liquidation price, margin ratio, your margin, and PNL stand for profit and loss. If the PNL is green, that means you are in profit. If the PNL is red, that means you are in loss. You can just click here to always close all your position. Anytime that you open a position and this arrow, this gearbox, it moves from the green bar to the yellow or red, close the position. I don't care whether you still think it's going to go up in your favor, close the position. It's very important you close the position. Okay, so I'm just going to fund my features wallet, then we can enter a position. I'll show you how I enter a position. Okay, so you just click it here. Then we see we have fiat and spot. Then we have USDT M features. Just leave it this way. Then you are going to select USDT. Then you enter the amount. So let's enter 20. Then we click here to confirm. Okay, so now we have just transferred $20 from our spot wallet to our Binance M features wallet. Okay, so you see we have an available balance now here. Look at the order box. We have 20 USDT here. Okay, the cross is for distribution. Always leave it that way if you intend to open different cryptocurrency pairs. So let's say you want to buy BTC USDT, and in the next hour you saw an opportunity to sell what do we call it, Ethereum USDT, then just leave it at cross. The 10x stand for leverage. Okay, so if we click on the perpetual here, you can see we have perpetual here. Okay, so it's very important you understand that for trading cryptocurrencies, the margin is always the important part. Please don't increase the margin more than 10x, or else if the market goes against you, you are going to lose. They are going to liquidate you, they are going to wipe you out. So it's very important you leave your leverage at 10x. Don't move it more than 10x. Just leave it at 10x. So once you leave it at 10x, you confirm now I have 20 USDT in my wallet. What I can do is I can enter a trade. So for you to enter a trade, it's very important you understand that trading margin or anything involve margin is very risky. So to enter a trade, you have to consider certain things. For me, I just make it very simple. When I want to enter a trade, I enter a trade 9:30 market open, New York times, Wall Street. Anytime that Wall Street they are opening, the open bell. In Ghana here, that is 1:30 in the afternoon. I don't know if you are watching this video from Nigeria, try and find out the time. Okay, this time usually have high volatility. Remember, I was telling you guys that before you can enter a trade, make sure you add these indicators. So to add the indicators, you see we have time frame. We have 1 hour time frame. So make sure you click 1 hour time frame. Then you move to indicator, technical indicators, click on it. You select MA. MA stands for moving averages. I'll leave a PDF down below this video so that you guys can use it to learn more about technical analysis, indicators, and everything about Binance futures. So this is my strategy. The moving average, the first moving average is period 99, second period 30, the last one is period 10. Then you click save. Anytime that the moving averages are below the candlesticks, you buy. If the moving averages are above the candlesticks, you sell. So right now, just looking at the market here, so let me open it up so that you guys can see the whole process here. So right now we see the moving averages here. You can see like the moving averages are trying to go below the candlesticks. So this is an opportunity for us to buy BTC USDT. And before you even buy any cryptocurrency, go to investing.com. I use investing.com for my fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis simple means using the news to predict the outcome of a crypto or a forex trading pair. And in our case, we are trading this thing, what do we call it? Features. We are trading features. We are not trading forex. So due to this, you go to a website called investing.com. When you go to investing.com, you click on the crypto. You can see we have market, my watch list, then we have crypto. So when you click on crypto, you can see the top cryptocurrencies that I was telling you that I trade. So these are the top cryptocurrencies that I trade. Then you select BTC USDT. Okay, BTC USDT. Click on it here. You can see today we have 17,196%. It have increased 0.15% today. So that means today BTC USDT is good if you buy it. US dollar is the same as USDT. Okay, just some slight naming, but it's still the same process. You can see it's still the same 17,000. So what we are going to do is anytime here is green, and you can see like here we have the moving averages trying to go below the candlesticks, we can buy. So for us to enter a buy position on BTC USDT, let's make sure we enter our lot size. So for me, I usually go 7% of my account. So let me start moving this thing and you observe what is happening down here. Okay, just look at the buy and short positions. Look at the cost and the maximum. I can borrow up to 189 USDT just for having 20 USDT in my Binance features wallet. This is the main reasons why people are using Binance features. So let's say you have 100 USDT in your Binance features wallet. You can borrow up to $1,000 and trade. And guys, if you are in a correct and right position and you just enter $100, you are going to make over $2,000 if you are in a right position. But if you enter a buy position and you move the leverage, you move this thing to 100% leverage, you move this thing to 125% leverage, and the market just move just below your entry position, your account is going to be liquidated. This is the main reasons why I said if you are starting out, just stay with the 10x. Just stay with the 10x, okay? So what we are going to do is we always use market execution. Market execution means that instant field. That means when we enter a trade, they are going to enter it for us. So let's move it to 12% of our account. So when we say 12%, that means that we are entering in a position where we are going to use 1.72 USDT to trade. Okay, so let's move it to 10%. Okay, so this is how much. So let's go long on BTC USDT. So we just use market execution. So we have just opened a trade long on BTC USDT. You can see like we have now the size, the open position we have here, then we have entry position here, we have marked price $17,182, then we have our margin, our PNL is still 0.00. So it's very important you always look at here. It's very important, always look here. If this thing is green, 0.34, you are in the right path. But if it starts moving from this thing to red or yellow, close the position. For me, when I enter a position, I give it 4 to 3 hours. I'm a trade trader. But if I enter a small lot size, let's say you are trading a cryptocurrency like Xperia USDT, you don't have higher volatility. Okay, so with this one, you can even do a swing trade on it. So this is how you make $100 to $200 per day on Binance features. All that you need to know is this: when you go to your M features wallet, make sure the time frame is 1 hour, 1 hour time frame. Then the indicators, you enter moving average 99, 30, and 10. Anytime that these moving averages are above the candlesticks, now you see that the moving averages, they are trying to go below the candlestick, so I enter a buy position. Okay, so I'll just give it some few hours and I'll close the trade. If you want to close the trade, you just click on close all positions. The PNL stand for profit and loss, and right now we are in 0.01 USDT in loss. Okay, and so just leave it like that. And I was telling you that if here is 0. If this place just changes to this thing, close the position. If your asset single mode, okay, if the single, just below the single mode we have 0.34, if this place changes to yellow or red, they are going to liquidate your position, so always close it. This is how you make money on Binance. If you have any questions or you want to have a one-on-one mentorship with me, how I trade the cryptocurrencies into details, if you have 100 USDT in your Binance wallet right now and you want to earn $100 to $200 per day with your account, then make sure you text me. I know that those who are watching this video have already paid about $30 to get this video, but this is just the beginning. This is how I make money on Binance, and this is how you can also start earning passive income on Binance. Okay, so I was telling you that this is my position that I've just opened, so you can just give it 2 to 3 hours, then you can just come and click on close position. We can even use stop loss and take profit. So if we click on stop loss and take profit, then we can enter a take profit here. Remember our buy position, we can enter a take profit at 17218. So let's enter our take profit here. 17218. Okay, then our loss. Let's enter our stop loss. So right now we have our entry price here, so we can enter our stop loss at this thing 17,160. Okay, so let's enter our stop loss 17,160. Okay, so we can enter our loss here, then we'll just click on buy. Okay, so once we click on buy, then this thing will be set so that anytime that this moving averages, this market fails to 17106, our position is going to be cancelled so that we can't lose any more money. Okay, and this is where we are going to take profit. So even if we are not around to check our chart, when the market moves to the upside, Binance is going to close it for us. So this is how you trade cryptocurrencies on Binance features. Okay, this is everything that you need to know. This is our chart. This is our cryptocurrency pair perpetual. I only trade perpetual. I don't trade contracts. Then we have our order book. The order book displays sellers and buyers. Then the order box displays the limit order, market order, stop limit and stop loss and all trailing stop and all those stuff. For the trailing stop, you can enter it when you are in profit and you want to increase your margin. So what we are going to do is I'll just close this trade. So if I click on close the trade here, then I click on close here, okay, our position have been closed. Okay, so this is how you trade features on Binance. Okay, if you want to earn more, make sure you text me on WhatsApp for the private mentorship group for only $20. I will teach you everything that you need to know. If you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing or like online business, digital marketing, you want to increase your profit with online business, make sure you DM me with your $20 and I'll show you how I was able to build my YouTube business and also my blogging business. So you can see guys, I told you that we shouldn't have closed the position. You can see like it have started moving up. So anytime that these three moving averages are below the candlesticks, buy. If they are above the candlesticks and you visit investing.com and investing.com is telling you this, then make sure you do the same thing. Okay, so take care, and if you still have any questions, you want to have a one-on-one mentorship with me, make sure you pay the $20 again and join